Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be talking about one of the best wallpaper which is exactly suitable for the Realme 6 users. So this can be also applicable for the Realme 6i and even for OnePlus 8 mobile phone as well. So whatever device which has the punch hole on the left side of the phone, then this wallpaper will be exactly suitable for those kind of applications. So right now you can see friends, I've been using most of the phones which are having notch, and definitely there are plenty of applications which are exactly suitable for the notch phones and the punch hole phones in the middle. But there are only few phones which are actually, they do have the side mounted punch hole devices, and very rare applications you do get like this. So try to watch till end of the video to get to know more details about the wallpaper, and also to check the links in description also for the live wallpapers and other notch phones wallpapers as well. So do check the links in description for the wallpaper playlist. You can find very good useful information below in the description. So let's discuss about this application, what is called ProPix, as you can see, which is the name is ProPix, and which is suitable for the OnePlus 8 punch hole cutout wallpapers. So definitely even the OnePlus 8 has same kind of punch hole cutouts. You can definitely use this application for your Realme 6 phone as well without any problem. So right now you can see there are plenty of new wallpapers which are available right now, which actually exactly suitable for the Realme 6 smartphone. So right now you can see, friends, exactly perfect location for the front camera, as you can see here, which looks perfectly good and very good interesting in the Realme 6. And finally it is an application which I found recently, which is there, I think recently it got added in the Play Store. So I can see that there is not much downloads for this application, but definitely if you are having the Realme 6 smartphone, you can definitely download this application and try to use. And don't worry, I'll keep you posted with the other interesting wallpaper applications now and then, very often. So I'll be using these different kinds of punch holes and notch smartphones, so I can keep you updated with the latest very good and useful wallpapers for your smartphone. So as you can see, friends, I got plenty of same kind of wallpapers which exactly do simulate the punch hole experience, as you can see. So which looks fantastic in terms of having this kind of wallpapers. So definitely if you're having the Realme 6 user, and you should try this kind of applications in your device as well. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also do like this video if you are seriously interested in this kind of videos, and do let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts about this wallpaper applications. And as usual, do check the links in description for more wallpaper playlist. You can even find very good interesting wallpapers similarly like this, which looks very good and attractive as well, so which won't even drain much of the battery, this kind of live wallpapers. So this is a quick review on the Realme 6 wallpaper, which is exactly suitable for the Realme 6 smartphone. So try to download this application, and do let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts about this wallpaper application as well. So I think there is also a live wallpaper mode which is actually for the pro version, I guess. So which you cannot activate for the free version, but for the pro version you can actually use this live wallpaper theme, as you can see. So where it cannot be simulated, but at least you got some other wallpapers as well, not only basic wallpapers, as you can see here clearly. So there are even a few categories where trending and normal wallpapers which you can select from. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. For more interesting videos, don't forget to check the links in description for in detail reviews. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.